In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the YouTube blur feature. Go to YouTube Studio and select the video you want to edit. On the left-hand side, click on Editor. Once you're inside the editor, look for the blur option. Click on it, and you'll see two main options, Face Blur and Custom Blur. When you click on Face Blur, YouTube will automatically scan your video and detect faces. After processing, it will show you all the faces it found. Select the face or faces you want to blur and click Apply. The blur will automatically follow the person's face throughout the video. When you click on Custom Blur, you'll be able to manually choose what part of the video to blur. Once you add a custom blur, you can choose between two shapes, rectangle blur or oval blur. You can also choose between two blur behaviors. Option 1, Track Object. This makes the blur follow a moving object throughout the video. YouTube will automatically track the movement for you. Option 2, Fix Blur Position. This keeps the blur in one spot on the screen. The blur will stay exactly where you place it from start to finish. You can resize and reposition the blur to fit exactly what you want to hide. You can also control when the blur appears. Simply drag the edges of the blur timeline and set the start and end time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips.